Hello students, as you can see in the animation, there are two slides, one for younger children and one for older children. The angles are given 30° over here. The length of BD is 1.5 meters and the length of AB is 3 meters. We need to calculate length of each slide. Hello students, in this video we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 9.1. I hope you have understood the question by seeing the animation. So we'll quickly draw the diagram and solve the sum. Okay, so as you have understood the concept, what we need to find is AC and OE. So we need to think like which ratio we have to use to get this AC. Okay, so basically what we want is opposite. This is 60°, so we want opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, that means AB upon AC. So AB अपॉन AC एक ही रेशियो से मिल सकता है और वो है साइन थीटा. ठीक है, क्योंकि साइन थीटा क्या होता है, अपोजिट होता है, तो हमें AB मिल जाएगा एंड हाइपोटेनियस होता है जो कि है AC. ओके, और ये हमें ढूंढना है. फाइन, ये हमें ढूंढना है. ठीक है, तो हम साइन थीटा का यूज़ करेंगे और इस केस में थीटा हमें दिया हुआ है 60. सो विल यूज़ साइन 60. बिफोर दैट विल जस्ट राइट डाउन द बेसिक थिंग्स ओवर हियर. So we'll write it down in the figure. DE, what is your DE? This is DE. D is the slide for the younger children. Whereas AC is the slide for the older children. Okay, so in right triangle ABC we are going to use sine 60. So sine 60° equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse will be AB upon AC. Sine 60, the value we know. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. AB we know, that is 3 meters given, this height AB. And AC is what we need to calculate. So AC equals to 2 into 3 upon root 3. Okay, so this you must be knowing, root 3. Root 3 can be written as 2 into root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So I'll just explain why we can write like this. See, root 3 हम क्या लिख रहे हैं, 3 को हम लिख रहे हैं root 3 into root 3. The reason being, then it will become root 3 the whole square, and this square and this root will get cancelled out and we'll get 3. Okay, so this can be written like this. So keep that thing in mind. The reason for writing like this, because roots are not allowed in the denominator, so this will get cancelled and we'll get the final answer as 2 root 3 meters. Okay, so we have calculated the slide length for older children. Now let us do the same for the younger children. In BDE, in triangle BDE, you can mention right over here because we are dealing with trigonometry. This time what we need is hypotenuse and opposite. Okay, so this is 30° given over here. We need to calculate this and we have this. Okay, so we need to think of a ratio wherein we can get opposite upon hypotenuse, something like that. So what we are going to use, we are going to use cosec. Okay, cosec 30° is nothing but hypotenuse upon opposite. So you can use cosec 30° or you can also use sin 30, okay, or sin 30 degree, okay, दोनों चलेंगे, because what we are dealing with hypotenuse and opposite, okay. So just to add on the variety, and you should be knowing this, you can calculate with sin 30 as well, answer same आएगा. So cosec 30 is nothing but 2. Hypotenuse is we need to find, that is DE, and BD is 1.5, okay. So DE upon 1.5, therefore DE equals to 2 into 1.5, and this is 3 meters. So we'll write on the final statement. Thus the height of this is not height, this is length that we are finding out. The length of the slide okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you.